Hi there. It's good to have you here again. I am Oluwakemi and this is question 8, Economics WASI exam 2018. The question goes thus. Goods whose demand varied directly with money income are called. We're given these four options to choose the right one. So option A, which says inferior goods. These are goods whose demand declines with increase in income. That is to say that the demand is inversely related to the income of the consumer. So if the income of the consumer increases, the consumer tends to demand less of that product, and this usually happens in off-brand products like off-brand electronics or off-brand fashion wears. Okay, good. So this option A is not correct. Option B, complementary goods. These are goods that are used together to satisfy a particular want. Take for instance, you talk of sugar and tea. People take sugar with tea. So if the price of sugar should go up, the demand for tea is going to drop. Okay, good. So complementary goods doesn't have is not a situation whereby the demand is directly related to money income. All right, so answer option B is not correct. Answer option C, which says substitute goods. These are goods that when the price of a commodity, let's say commodity A, increases, it tends to shift the demand for another related product, commodity B, to increase. So the price of commodity A goes up, it leads to the increase in the demand for another related product, commodity B. So answer option C is not correct. What about the last option, answer option D, normal goods? This is the opposite of inferior goods, whereby the demand increase as the income increases. Okay, you can see that this is just the opposite of inferior goods. So the demand is directly related to the income of the consumers in when we talk of the normal goods. So answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.